Guys, today we are going to make a special vegetable curry. For the process, we need lot of vegetables. First we took a raw banana, a big potato, to bring sweetness, a sweet potato, some fresh carrots, some pieces of cauliflowers. Chop down all the vegetables. Add them all in boiled water. Here we are cutting some garlics. Smash them all. Take a kadai, add coconut powder and oil, then mix it well. Also add some chilies. Add garam masala and black pepper in the mixture. Add the red chili powder in the boiling vegetables. Add garam masala and many other spices. Vegetables are boiled now. Add the mixture of coconut powder in it. Add many pieces of cauliflowers. After mixing, cover it. To make the mixture thick, you can add some tomatoes. Thank you.